Hi, do you want to speak English but you don't have any idea? How can I speak English? I will teach you English. You will be learning English in 10 days. If you want to learn English, if you learn easy English, subscribe our channel. Inshallah, I will be teaching you. English language is very. First you learn English tenses. Present, past, future. This tenses is very important for the learn English. प्रेजेंट का कुछ जुमले जो आप आसानी सीख सकते हो. दिस इज पास्ट टेंस. उर्दू और इंग्लिश इसको भी सही से समझिए. ये है फ्यूचर टेंस. इसको भी सही से समझिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.
7 o'clock. Time to wake up. Tom, wake up, honey.
5 more minutes.
No, Tom. It's 7 o'clock.
Okay. Good morning.
I have to wake the kids now. And you'd better get breakfast ready.
Okay, dear.
Lily! Ben! Wake up! It's morning!